The Istiqlal Mosque is one of the famous mosques in Indonesia. Designed by architect Friedrich Silaban with construction in the modern era. Friedrich Silaban studied modern architecture autodidactly, and it is possible that he had the influence of modern architecture on Friedrich Silaban when he worked at BOE. Visually, the design of the Istiqlal Mosque really looks modern in style. The design of the Istiqlal Mosque itself is very different from the mosque design that were developing at the time, where the influence of Middle Eastern architecture on mosque was widespread, even though there are still typical mosque characteristics such as domes and minarets. The overall design of this mosque was a new design at the time. Apart from the past where most of the mosques that developed at the time were mosques that were heavily influenced by Middle Eastern architecture. The general shapes, namely square, is still in accordance with mosques in Indonesia, but other architectural elements such as door, window, and walls make a big difference to the design of this mosque. The materials used by the Istiqlal Mosque is dominated by the marble material used by the Istiqlal Mosque, produced by PT Tulungagung Indonesia marble industry with a thickness of 3 cm and 7 cm, consisting of two quality variations, namely pure Kawi and Kawi. This marble is used on almost all surfaces of the walls and floor of the mosque building. This creates a monochrome color in the Istiqlal Mosque building, where the parts where there is no marble are given a color match the color of the marble surface. The use of harness material is a characteristic of modern architecture. The color of the marble looks yellowish or ivory white, where colors like this are usually used in modern architecture with a brutalist style. The roof of the Istiqlal Mosque is flat with a large dome in the middle. This type of roof was already known at the time due to the influence of Middle Eastern architecture. Mosques in the Middle East already use flat roofs and domes. The main dome of the Istiqlal Mosque has a diameter of 14.5 meters. Under the dome, there is cylindrical roof mount with foundation to support the dome. There are 12 columns covered with steel, adding to the impression of modern architecture. These columns are arranged in a circle under the dome. The Istiqlal Mosque has a capacity of around 200,000 worshippers. The prayer room is on the open main floor, which is square in shape. The main building is flanked by two large plazas surrounded by corridors. Apart from the main building, there is also a small building beside the main building, which is rectangular in shape. This building functions as an additional place for worship and chairs. The ablution place is on the ground floor of the mosque. The main building and accompanying building have a height of 5 floors, where the ground floor is for supporting areas and educational activities such as an entrance, storage area, recitation area, and ablution area, as well as toilet. The combination of all architectural elements in the Istiqlal Mosque make this mosque look monumental. This mosque looks different and stands out in its environment. The design of the Istiqlal Mosque is a combination of square and rectangle, as well as ornamental vertical line with close spacing, adding to the impression of being heavy, large, and steady. These vertical and horizontal lines are designed for opening, but the combination of the height and distance between the lines, as well as the use of ivory white, creates the impression of a large and monumental wall. The use of matching color in the mosque elements also adds to the impression of a heavy, large, and steady design to this mosque. Coupled with the large dome roof with matching color, it adds to the impression that this mosque stands out in its environment. The following is the meaning of the architectural design of the Istiqlal Mosque. Number 1. Large dome. The Istiqlal Mosque has a very large dome with a diameter of 14.5 meters. The number 14.5 has its own meaning, symboling the year of the proclamation of independence for the Republic Indonesia. There are around 12 pillars that support this dome. The number 12 is taken from the birth date of the Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, namely 12 Rabiul Awal, and also indicates that there are 12 months in a year. Number 2 only has one tower. This reason only one tower was built was because it symbolized a sign of the one. Number 3 has 7 doors with the name Asmaul Husna. At the Istiqlal Mosque, there are 7 entrances. It turns out that each door has the name Asmaul Husna. The number 7 is also taken as a sign that there are 7 layers of the Islamic universe sky, and there are 7 days in a week. Number 4 has 5 floors and 1 ground floor. The Istiqlal Mosque has 5 floors, which means there are 5 points in the pillars of Islam. This is also a reminder to Muslims that there are 5 obligations that must be carried out.